Friend, we just pulled up to Celebration Key, Carnival's brand new private island in Grand Bahamas, and when I tell you, the water doesn't even look real. Today we're exploring the Calypso Lagoon side of the island, but I'm so excited to show you everything: beaches, food, pools, and all the vibes. So stay tuned to see if Celebration Key is actually worth the hype. Celebration Key. Let's go, let's go. Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. Me and my man, we on the island, ho. Where's the man, though? Alright. It's so pretty out. I'm so happy the sun came out, y'all. It was getting very, very depressing.
Hey, guys, your cards are not going to thank you.
Getting on the tram.
You want me to get one of y'all? Oh, that'd be fun.
Me and my friends be on the island.
I would join you, but I don't
I think that's person over there.
I know, we're gonna do it.
I wonder how much it is.
We're gonna go just the beach.
Yeah. I don't want to hear
This swim up bar. Oh, that's fun.
Calypso. Kate's here.
How you doing?
Hey y'all.
They come, they too slow for y'all. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
I'm good.
How you doing?
What's up, Daddy?
No, man. White out here, boy.
Hey, what's up, baby?
I gotta get in the pool, boy. Hot out here.
Hey, Grandma.
What's up, baby girl? How you doing, big money?
You been
in the money?
Yeah, I love
Oh, child, I know that. So we do that.
Only way, yeah. That's the only way, the only way, only way, only way. That's the only way.
You miss him?
Only way,
I'm just gonna fight it with my family.
People really trying to what?
the only way, only way, only way. Only way, only way, yeah. That's the only way, the only way, only way.
That is cute. Let's get litty. Is it too early? It's overly loaded. We're at Calypso Lagoon. It's overly loaded. It's overly loaded. Y'all, I ain't never seen this many black people in the pool. I ain't never seen this many black people in the pool. So he can make it clear. Food station.
Now turn.
Crib to live. Get I'm fire drain.
Take my picture.
Where y'all getting down from? Where y'all getting
Carnival.
I think the Pearl Cove might be more our speed. The adult only side.
I love that Carnival added this water station, but I think it would have been a tad bit better if we had a few more options, especially as with the drinking package. The little food truck area, you can pick and choose what you want to redeem your drinks. Excuse me, y'all, I'm tipsy, but they have hella options. At least like 5 food trucks. We want wings, so it's a little lot.
That's it. Yes, that's it. Teriyaki. So 2.
I got my wings. So with the Carnival deal, you get 4 wings and fries and a cookie. So let's take a look.
Entonces jalapeños. You can put extra jalapeños.
265. Garlic parmesan.
Look, he's still over there. What the hell I just stepped in? We're leaving Celebration Key. The sun came out just in time. Okay, friend, let's get into the final thoughts. I really like Celebration Key. It's very beautiful. We spent most of our time at the swim up bar at Long Necks, and it was really fun. The DJ had the crowd moving. It was 2 ships there at one day, so of course it was extra loaded, but it was so fun. One thing I can say I did not like is that I had to swipe my card when I had the drink package. I brought 2 drinks. Both drinks are around $12 to $15, including tips. So that's about $40 spent when I had the drinking package. So I didn't like that, but overall I did have a good time. And because of the weather, we didn't experience some of the things that are usually going on, such as the parade. I honestly want to come back and bring my nephew because they had a nice kids area, and they have a big shopping center with different stores with different souvenirs options, a lot of food options. I want to come back. Hopefully I will have more time to get the lay of the land because we only explored Calypso Lagoon, which I really like it over there. It's kind of my jam. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you all were able to pick up any tips or advice for your trip coming up, and I will catch y'all next time.